I'm Vittorio Brumonti from Italy. I'm very happy. Today there is the sun, and I started with the bicycle in 11 years. Now I riding for 25 years, and I changed style with the road bike 5 years ago.